Hi, Alex here live with Tesla. You are going to see this moving to $225. I'm absolutely guaranteed, $26. Well, I'm recording here live for several reasons. Firstly, you see that this stock today, Beyond Meat, in 24 hours went from $186, the price that I was selling live, downgrading. Today you have the share price down $60 per share. It is trading at $125.40. Therefore, you had to listen to the instructions, selling, dumping on the American hysterical crowd, buying shares at $185. So they were buying, you were selling, I was selling, going short. Beyond Meat, you have today more millions of dollars following my guidance since IPO. Having said this, going back to Tesla, we wrote an article on the blog of the company explaining the reasons, everything, step by step since IPO, 100% free. Upgrading Tesla at a price of $179, precisely when Wall Street was downgrading, to $10. Morgan Stanley, the scammers, these Citibank, the crowd, the American crowd, all of them, they started visualizing all of a sudden, that Tesla share price was going down to $30, to $10, single digits, and so on. Well, as you can see, Tesla is moving already. It's almost $225. Okay, so what did I tell you? I already told you, my friends, the prices are determined. Okay, so the only thing that you have to do always is to follow the instructions, is to execute, is to pull the trigger, because the rest, it happens normally. You just have to let it go. Okay, you just have to let it go, to follow the instructions, and you make millions of dollars. Here you have, you see, Tesla 225. I already knew when I upgraded Tesla at $179, when I wrote the article, I already knew that this was going to happen. Okay? So, I told you, you had it, so you just had to pull the trigger, and on the top of those millions of dollars that you made, selling short the stock, since $380, when I told you sell short the most now since IPO, all the way down to $179 an half, and I warn you before the share price to get to that point, I warned you, do not open now new short positions. Here you have Tesla 225. Okay, this live, my friends, this is the proof that stock prices can be and are determined. They are known. Okay? Notice today what did happen to this stock that I mentioned that was the single best selling short opportunity in the markets. Where is today? 18 cents. Okay? Junk since $45 when we announced Insys Therapeutics to be the best selling short opportunity along with Sears Holdings. Where it is? 18 cents. Today, it crashed more 70%. So, where is the surprise? There is no surprise. You have it here. All of them. Live. Okay? 225. Even getting there. By the way, you can see the tweet on my Twitter account announcing that Tesla will go to 225, 226 before you are seeing this. Okay? You already knew. Alright? Beyond Meat, 125.40. This is absolutely perfect, absolutely perfect. Everything. Everything is connected, everything is connected. There is a continuous. So I start recommending that you read Einstein, the theory of relativity, my friends. It is working. Here, we have been demonstrating it thousands of times. Thank you.